What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And it looks like Hive OS is under maintenance right now. It's been like this for, I don't know, I checked like 3 or 4 hours ago, and all the API and everything's still down. If you try to load up your Hive stuff, it just shows server maintenance. We'll be back soon, so hopefully they're back one of these days. My stuff is still mining. Still have 13 workers online, so a few of those are on Hive. So that means if you were running on Hive and you don't mess with it, it'll stay running on Hive. But like I was trying to get some more stuff online, like this guy right here just brought this bad boy home. This is one of those motherboards that doesn't have a working x16 slot, so I was like, I'll just use it for some CPU mining. I had a 5600G laying around. I was probably going to pull that out because those are not the greatest for CPU mining. Put something else in, but I can't get it to show up on Hive because I can't get into the API. It's, you know, talking and that kind of thing. I don't have any display. I guess I could put a riser in here, but still, that would only get me so far because I can't get in and edit my flight sheet on the API. So that kind of stinks. But yeah, so I guess we're gonna try to get some more stuff up and running here soon. Got to get that, our average up. Let's see here. We are at, where are we at here? Stats. Let's get a fresh refresh on this. So we're at 3.29 million. So 3,291,000, and we're showing 162,000 in the last 24 hours. So we're trending up 162K in the last 24 hours, but we need to pump those numbers up big time. I think once I can get that CPU online, that should add about another 3,000 to 4,000 SHIB a day. Obviously, everything does vary, and I have some other CPUs coming in that I think I'm gonna end up filling out. Probably, you know, maybe 2 CPU rigs right there, 2 CPU rigs right there, and then maybe something down on the bottom. I'm not sure, but just doing some rough math and rough numbers and using the Unmineable calculator. These Xeon rigs that I have coming in, they should add anywhere from 8,000 to 10,000 SHIB per day. Obviously, that's subject to change by any moment, but yeah. So if I add 1, 2, 3, 4, that could be upwards of an extra 40,000 SHIB a day, and get us closer to our goal. So that still does put us a far bit off of our 100 million goal, but we'll get there a little bit at a time. So anyway, guys, just making a short and sweet little update video for y'all. I am going to be quantifying and placing everything into a spreadsheet. That way I can keep up with all the cards and what they're mining and all that kind of stuff coming up here soon. But yeah, this kind of threw a monkey wrench into my plan with the whole server maintenance. Not bueno. Not bueno. But don't fear. If your stuff's mining, it'll keep mining. Let it mine. All right. Anyway, guys, see y'all on the next one, and adios.